It's recording.
Wait.
Oh, hot jelly.
This is my jam. Keep me spreading till the AM. Y'all don't understand. Make me spread my jam on the toast, 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 toast.
Oh, cold jelly. This is my hot jam.
Oh, cold jelly.
I'll keep you spreading till the AM.
That's
funny.
wrong.
Oh!
All over my toast.
My toast.
Wait, what?
I'll keep you spreading out till the AM all over my toast.
You're a bad girl.
I'm gonna take your syrup and shove it up and make pancakes.
Don't you mean maple syrup and pancakes? There's such thing as maple pancakes?
I don't know, but there's yeah, it's called those like little things.
It's called
No, on top of the McGriddles.
On top of
maple syrup already in them.
all covered in cheese.
My bologna has a first name. It's
OMCAR
My bologna has a second name. It's M-A-E-R.
MEYER
M-I-E-E-R.
MAYER
MAYEER.
E-E-R.
I'm no.
Mayor.
Oscar Mayer.
Because Oscar
Meyer has a noise with BOLOGNA. We are good spellers.